What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vascai Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax, and today we're coming to you live from Museum Row on the Miracle Mile in Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Going to be one of the last Museum Mondays that we have here on the channel. Some of the last concrete's getting poured, and the official channels from LACMA are starting to show a lot of the up-close installments that have been occurring. Most recently, some of the sculpture gardens that are right there along Wilshire Boulevard. It's been a really fun project, but all things must come to pass, and we're going to have some really exciting new projects coming along on the channel as well. On that note, it is peanut time for the co-pilot. Oh, buddy. There you go. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, give us a sub if you haven't already. Buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Thumbs up the video, comment on the video for better for worse. All that goes a long ways to keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there and show you guys what's going down. Peace.